scheme.
The underperformance of Meghalaya youth in the UPSC civil service examinations has been a matter of concern for years, and newly appointed DGP and IPS officer Ida Shisha Nongrang has called upon the youth to have determination and perseverance. Citing trouble-torn state of Manipur as an example of commitment, Nongrang pointed out that of the 10 aspirants from Manipur who cleared the exams, 4 studied and prepared in Shillong. The youth needs to understand that the amount of hard work and effort that goes into preparing for competitive exams.
Where the civil services are concerned, it's become much more competitive over the years. It was quite different 30 years back when I started with civil services. It's very different now. The competition has increased much more. Our youth need to realize that they have to, if it's something that you really want, you really have to struggle for it. It's not that there have been umpteen number of whether IPS or IAS officers from the state who have qualified before. The examination pattern has not changed very much. But the number of people who contesting, the competition for it, yes, has increased. So commensurate with that, the amount of effort that is required will have to be much more than what has gone before.
The Meghalaya State Pollution Control